Have a look.
No, thank you.
Hello, have a look at that.
$1, $1. I look 37.
Rain's coming. Temperature's dropping. Memang akan panas banget.
Hey, how are ya?
Good yourself?
Come have a look inside here.
Nothing.
Hey, boss here, boss there. Yeah. Hey, you come here, you go.
Kalau aku nggak coklat ini sih.
Bisa lihat lipat.
Yes.
Kenny.
Hey, Kenny. How are you doing?
I don't think she was on the wait a minute, I went back. I think they wait, but I don't think it was sharing. Okay, alright. Shelby said she
Hello. Anything, boss?
Yes, pa. Hopefully, in blue sky wisdom. Nothing
Let me go in front of you. Fine. Nothing moving. How much further do you have to go?
You know it's not much further. Do you want to go in there?
No, I'm just like, oh my god.
Okay, Kencana Art Market, that's on fixed price. Lot of info. How you going?
Yeah, it's like flying on. Yeah, sun gone. Oh, that bit. Slow walking.
Most of the stores along here are bargaining for. The music. We went into that store the other night, but lots of music, t-shirt, but he wanted $50 a t-shirt. That was the man I was talking to, and
Just shorts.
yeah, but not.
Cheap, man. No battery.
Let's just get back to the hotel, which there's plenty of places we can look at.
Fine. I'm getting my shoes before I go back to the hotel. Massage.
Yes, coming, tattoo.
Daily, you can't get a tattoo anyway. No, thank you. No, thank you.
Thank you for the shoes, Dad.
Not too much further, okay? Mama's German restaurant. That's where the girls got their hair braided down at the little beauty store.
Hello, I'm
Yeah, you have to be very careful crossing these streets. Oh, jerseys, more jerseys, more shoes. Oh, and Friday, that's where we'll be to get some new artwork. Ain't the tattoo. Oh, you come with the good. And when people are there, you got to give them enough room to get past you.
Anh guys sa pen.
These little convenience stores are all over the place. Look at over bargaining already. It's a pain in the butt, especially when they start off at stupid prices. And like that guy last night, he got grumpy. And I think Mum went to something like me and made it in game like that.
Nó là cái đẹp không có ai mà đủ mai còn không tiền không cầm rất là nhiều.
Eddie Dharma Hotel. Yeah, and here's a good one. Balinese definitely know their target market. How much that is? Okay. Yeah, and the One Legian. Hello, it's nobody. That's where we stayed last time.
Just buat tulis dia dah. Apa? Sebab pun masjid dia, mari bin hati-hati tu tak kan dia.
It was okay. That's good. Another hotel. And I think you everything is 100 shops. And that is very literal. Everything in there is 100,000 rupiah. Roughly about $10 Australian. Lots of bags, some clothes, wallets, some purses. Big Kopi Pot Restaurant. See here, quite nice. In the Bali Ice Bar. This is where most of the gear cycles are based as well. Another tattoo studio. Mini mart. Little convenience store, basically the same as like a 7-Eleven. Really handy, really cheap.
Yes, go.
You're right, or did you trip? The pharmacy. Yeah, up this side. Many changes. No, that rate is true. It's actually got a bit better today. Most of the time we've been here so far, it's been under 10,000. Agung Cottages. Is there to pay anymore? Another pharmacy. No. I don't know if that's true. We might check it out later and let you know. But we did get caught at one of these shops the other night, walking past, and shot as usual. They're trying to get you to come into your shop.
Shop.
First off, he's basically told us everything in the shop was at 100k. We kept walking, then he said everything is 2 for 100. We kept walking, he said everything is 3 for 100. Well, we thought, oh, we might have a look. We went in there and then they refused to sell us anything for 3 for 100 or even 2 for 100. Yeah, it's going to bucket down in a minute, isn't it? Yeah, we ain't doing that. fish bar. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that. It's just starting to rain. Luckily, we're almost back at our hotel. We'll wait till later. You see there's the Bali Bombing Memorial. After this